Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Amazon Kindle gift card. You can buy Amazon Kindle gift card in store or online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it online using the Amazon website. Open up a web browser to get started and then type in amazon.com in the URL box. Make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account as well. Once you're inside the main homepage, go to the search Amazon text box at the top and type in Kindle gift card in the search box. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and choose your Kindle gift card that you want to purchase from the search result. After selecting the gift card, select the amount that you want to include in the gift card from the menu. Now, click on the quantity drop down and select the quantity of the gift card you'd like to purchase and click on buy now. Enter your shipping address and other information prompted on the page. You will need to go ahead and enter your payment method as well, and after entering all of the information, you will then be able to purchase the gift card. Once you've purchased the gift card, you can give it to someone or redeem it yourself for Kindle content. So that is how you can easily buy your Amazon Kindle gift card using the Amazon website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.